Good morning! Yes, sumikat si Mr. Sun, guys. Good morning, Germany! Pasensya na yung kalat-kalat dyan. Ang ganda ng panahon today, guys. Wala nang snow and the sun is shining. Good morning! Good day! It's another day. It's another sunny day. Ang ganda ng ano guys, ng panahon today. It's Sunday nga pala. And it's 10:30 a.m. in the morning guys. 10 a.m. in the morning pa. At look guys, busy si ano, partner. Busy ang aking ano, ang aking mayordomo. Totoo siya. Yes guys, nagligpit lang siya sa kusina kasi kahapon ang dami naming ginawa. Saturday, 'di ba? Valentine's Day. Ano na nga pala ngayon, guys? February 15. Look, today is my 8th year. Yes, 8 years na ako dito, guys. Sa Germany. Kasi nga, ano ako February 15 ako dumating dito, guys. Kasi naalala ko, February 14, nasa aeroplano pa ako doon, papunta dito. Yeah, so it's my 8th year in Germany. How it feels? Yes. Si partner lang ang happy. So that means I'm not happy. I'm happy, of course. It's my 8 years here. Para lang akong ano, I still like, of course, I am not German, so I feel like, ano pa guys, yung hindi pa ka talaga sanay, ganun. Yeah, I have a lot of experience already. Oh, charot. Kumaka a lot of experience naman. Yes, guys. Today, ano bang gagawin namin? Because it's Sunday and, yeah, outside is, wala naman talagang ganap. Yesterday, guys, nung February 14, hindi ako nag-vlog. Lang kami dito, nag-prepare lang kaming, kasi nag-plan kami either lumabas kami dun sa aming kapitbahay na restaurant or dito kami magdi-dinner. So, then we decided na dito na lang kami magdi-dinner. Nagluto kami ng steak. Rum steak yung kinain namin kagabi with french fries at saka gumawa si partner ng German dessert. So, wala talaga kaming masyadong guys, wala kaming masyadong, lang siya, parang intimate. Wow. Intimate dinner. We had an intimate dinner yesterday night. Yesterday evening. Yeah, so kami lang talaga, relax, pero wala. I mean, ayun nga, hindi na ako nag-vlog. And today, naglilinis siya ng kitchen, nililigpit niya yung mga kalat niya, kasi gagawa siya ng cake. Today, yung favorite na cake ko na ginagawa ni partner, nag-request ako sa kanya today ng cake. Nililigpit niya to ang para makagawa siya ng cake. And nagpe-prepare din siya ng guys, coffee namin. Ang dami pa talagang pero nahugasan na naman yan. Nahugasan na yan, guys. Pinadry lang namin tapos ilalagay siya sa mga designated area. Ayun, so we will have breakfast, I think. I don't know what will I eat for breakfast. What do you want for breakfast?
Pancake?
Pancake? I don't want to cook.
No, we don't have.
Kasi bumili kami ng Friday, guys. Bumili kami ng blueberries and blackberries. Pero hindi pa naman yun masisira. Maybe tomorrow. Nawala talaga ako sa mood prepare. But I have to get the ground beef for tonight.
You sure we want?
Yeah, I want burger.
Yeah, tonight?
Yeah.
Not tomorrow.
9. Yeah. So pupunta lang ako sa guys. Kasi yung freezer namin nasa naka-on pala to. Yung freezer namin ba is nasa di ba? Ang niya, ang hassle. Pero okay lang naman. Wala naman kaming magagawa kasi wala na talagang space sa taas, guys. Nasaan na yung steak? Ground pork pala. Ground beef pala. Ground pork naman. Ground beef. Ubusin ko na lang to lahat. Yes, ubusin ko na itong lahat, guys. Ano to is 600 grams. So kasi magha-hamburger kami tonight. Hamburger kami tonight with... We will eat hamburger with french fries but from fresh potatoes. I'll make it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, kasi kagabi guys, yung french fries namin is frozen. So, pero masarap din naman. But, I'll make it. I'll cook it. I mean, yeah, I'll make it. We have a lot of... I know. We have a lot of, ano naman pala. We have a lot of potatoes. So everybody failed. My failed na word. Hindi naman, guys. Yung cake. I mean, kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast. Brunch pala. Yung cake is hindi niya magagawa kasi wala kaming butter. Meron kaming butter pero half lang. Nung Friday, nag-grocery kami, yun ang nakalimutan namin. Yeah, ayun. Kaya walang cake today. Walang cake today, guys. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is, tapos na ba ito ni partner? Kasi guys, meron pa siyang ginagawa dito sa walk-in closet. Yung aircon dito na heater din. Sabi niya tapos na siya. Pero may mga gamit pa dito, look. Ayan, oh. Meron pa siya dyan. Look at the guys. Panahon. Ang ganda talaga, oh. Diba? Maganda sana maglakad-lakad sa labas guys because it's Sunday. Well, we will see kung maganda yung guys, magstay yung weather na ganyan. Kasi meron lang akong gagawin dito. Ayan, so gagawin na lang namin tong working room. Guest room. Oh, meron na talagang dyan, table din. For the for mga guests. Binalo ko ng plastic yung foam guys para walang para walang alikabok. Yan, kasi nandito siya. Sayang din naman kasi kung gagawin namin tong working room. So itong cabinet na to is, 'di ba na-mention ko na gagawin namin tong lagayan ng mga travel things, 'di ba? And then since dito na yung guest room, so lagayan na din siya ng mga bed sheets for the guest. So yung mga gamit dito guys na mga pang yung mga yun na nga nandun na sa baba. Etong mga bed sheets ilalagay ko siya sa cabinet. So ayun guys. Sayang kasi guys, ang laki ng niya, oh. Grabe, di ba? Ang laki. Ang dami niyang malagay. I think malinis to. Kukunan ko na lang siya ng alikabok, guys. Ayan, oh, di ba? Sayang kasi guys, kung gagawin namin itong working room, and then marami pa kaming gamit na nakalagay pa talaga siya sa hindi niya dapat lalagyan. Kaya, yeah, for example, itong mga bed sheets na to for the guests. So, di ba? Sayang din. Lilinisan ko lang to konti kasi parang alikabok. Parang meron siya alikabok guys. Wait, hindi ko abot. Hindi abot ng RC. Yan kasi, yes, alikabok nga. May naiwan pa sila dito guys. Oh. Sa dating may-ari ko. Ngayon ko lang to siya nakita. Ano siya guys? Yung pang neck massage. May naiwan pa sila. Tsaka ito, oh. Tapon ko na to. May mga unan guys, hindi. Dapat pa itong labahan yung mga unan actually, pero hindi na lang. Dito na lang muna to eh. Yung arrangement niya guys is later na talaga kasi basta meron lang kaming, basta maano lang siya. Mamaya ko na siya tatapusin dito guys. At least nalagay ko na yung bed sheets. Yun naman ang importante dito eh. Para yung space lang talaga namin guys. Dito sa bathroom namin, sa taas. Kakalinis ko lang naman ito mga the other day. So, later na lang ako mag-vacuum ulit. Tatanungin ko si partner about sa walk-in closet. Okay, bababa ko to. Mag-walking kaya kami guys. Tatanungin ko kay partner mamaya mamaya. Meron pa kasi siyang ginawa sa aming sa aming TV, yung sa internet nag-ano pa siya. Parang magandang mag-walking sa guys. Diyan kasi guys, sa ibabaw may forest diyan. pwede kaming dadaan dyan kasi meron naman kaming sariling gate dyan. Pero hindi kasi namin alam kung yung way, di ba? Baka kasi feeling kasi namin yung after sa gate namin, guys, private siya. Private kasi siya, guys. So parang nagdadalawang isip kami kung dyan ba kami dadaan papuntang doon sa may forest na yan. But anyways, naano ako, guys, kasi next week daw, sabi ni partner, maghahanap na kami ng gardener, pang landscaper, guys. Maghahanap na kami kasi sabi ko, kailangan na siyang malinis yung garden kasi gusto ko nang magtanim. And then, di ba? Kasi sayang yung oras, tapos malapit na ding matapos yung winter. So, ayun. So, kailangan ko na mag-start ng magtatanim para sa June or July or mga August, meron na tayong maaani. Oh, excited, di ba? So, pasok na muna ako, guys. Tatanungin ko si partner mamaya. Or maybe, if he's not, Do you want to walk outside? No?
Yeah.
And that way, right?
Yeah.
Just a quick. We will just see, see how then the way or, Yes, guys, mag-walking na lang kami, guys, kasi wala kaming masyadong gagawin naman today. Hindi siya magbe-bake. And then, it's 12 p.m. para pagdating namin, pwede kaming cookies na lang kakainin namin. Wala lang cake, eh. Oh my God, guys. Mix. Here. Aalis kami. Maglalakad tayo, guys. First time nating maglakad, guys. Maglibot-libot dito sa aming surroundings. Pero dun tayo sa may... Hindi tayo dito sa may guys, sa may neighborhood talaga, sa mga kapitbahay ko talaga. Doon na lang tayo sa may forest. Kasi tingnan natin kung makikita ba natin yung bahay namin from doon sa forest, guys. I mean yung garden lang namin. Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw, guys. The sun is really nice.
Yeah.
But it's cold. Ang lamig pa din. Hindi pa naman wala pa. Hindi kami nakapagdala ng tissue. Sisipunin kami dito, guys. So ayan, guys, dito yung daanan namin. So dyan, papunta na yung forest. Tingnan natin kung ano ang itsura ng kanilang forest here. I'm excited na ako in spring we can mushroom hunting. We will make
In fall.
we will do in fall.
Yeah.
Akso in herbs pa. I thought in spring.
Yeah, there are some mushrooms too, but not the best
Excited
time
si
is
RC, guys.
early spring,
Early fall, okay. Early autumn pa pala, guys. Ang tagal pa noon, August,
No.
September.
Yeah.
Ang tagal pa noon, uy, buset. Kala ko pa naman. I was thinking, maybe in March or April, okay, we can.
Well, we can start.
My God. Dito na tayo sa ibabaw. May daanan pa doon, Pero dito sa side nito, dyan, guys, makikita nyo dyan. Eto yan yung garden namin. Okay, that's it. We can go back home. Pagod na ako. I'm tired already.
My little princess.
Psst. Pagod na si RC, guys. Oh, there's a swing there. May duyan pa talaga. So, malapit na tayo, guys. Parang may... Is this a private?
This road? No.
Okay. I think it's a field, rice field or something. Corn field. Ano?
Just a meadow.
A meadow lang pala.
Rice, we don't have in Germany.
So, corn only.
Yeah.
Ayan na, guys. Ito na yung nasa taas na tayo. Wow.
Look at... Wow.
Wow. It's nice to do picnics here.
Yeah.
And
Nice to be here on holidays.
yeah,
Oh, we have always holidays.
the sunrise, guys, is there. And sunset is here, right? No,
The sunrise is there.
Sunset is
over
there. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Ang ganda ng view natin sa ibabaw. Ayan.
Almond tree.
Ayan, ang ganda. Wow. And so quiet, right?
Yeah.
No one. Yan yung ano guys, yan yung city, yan yung maliit na city. Nandyan kami nakatira. Isa dyan, bahay namin. Ayan, my God. You want to walk there?
Depends on
Just
you.
turn around, right?
Yep.
Okay. Magto-turn one round lang tayo guys and then.
Maybe this way goes up there.
No. Ang ganda guys, magmuni-muni dito. It's nice. Yung tunog ng ano, the birds are singing.
Cheep, cheep, cheep.
It's not a bird. It's
No.
a
It's a big fat old hen.
beer. So ayun guys, maglalakad tayo doon and then turn round and then pabalik na tayo ng bahay. This is just a one round a trial
Yes, to
find out lang kung ano ang nasa ibabaw namin kasi wala pa talaga kaming alam kung anong nandito. Ang ganda talaga guys, oh. We could have been here when there was still snow,
Yeah.
but
Well, we will have more snow
Later?
during the week. Yeah.
so
Yeah.
there's still more.
Yes.
Oh, I thought it's finished.
I hope so too.
Ay, may snow pa pala. Wala guys, kutasan na. Kutasan na si partner guys. Look at the sun, oh my God.
Yeah. You
The sun is... I need the sun. Ang ganda. When we do mushroom hunting,
Yeah.
there, this forest there. Okay, not in the not in the very deep forest or what?
Oh, well, yeah. You can do that too.
No, I don't like deep in the forest.
We have to look for different spaces,
So okay.
and one is with
Are there wild animals here, right?
yeah.
Deers, normally.
No.
No deers?
Oh, deer.
Yeah.
Deer, yes. Bears.
No, I know bears. Deer, fox, village.
Yes, of course.
So let's hope we can find a reindeer here. Parang hindi naman.
No. And of course, Russia. As I told you, that's right.
So then we go up there. Can we?
Oh, you mean
Links.
the bushes?
Yeah. Oder here. Nein, das ist privat, yeah?
Yeah.
Check lang muna natin guys, baka kasi mali yung baka ang dapat kasi namin guys is pa left. So pag right siya, babalik lang tayo sa dinaanan namin kasi ayaw na namin masyadong malayo. Kami lang talaga ngayon dito guys. Are there ghosts here?
No.
No. They're freezing.
Don't have to.
They're freezing, especially winter. That's why they stay
Oh,
where they are.
was hast du gerade gefragt? Geister?
Yeah, guys.
Ja, okay, das ist richtig verstanden. No.
No. I'm looking
In Iceland,
in Iceland.
people believe that.
Dracula.
No, in Iceland. No. Iceland, they think there's holy places with spirits. And when you want to build a road,
Yeah.
first
Pray.
officials
Offer.
have to ask. If
Yeah, you have to. Well, actually, the ancient of this, the ancient,
Yeah.
people living here before us. I mean, because we're not the owner of this earth. We are just the renter.
Yeah.
We call it, what you call it?
Wir besitzen die Erde nicht, sondern wir haben sie nur geerbt
Yeah.
von unseren
Yeah, and so it would be nice and very that we ask permission first before.
And we should leave the earth a little bit nicer.
Not little bit nicer, it should be what it is before.
Yeah,
Should be.
it should be.
Do you still have breathing? Are you still breathing?
Yes, I'm still breathing.
Medyo pataas na kasi to, guys. It's a good exercise.
Yeah.
I hope we can do this every day, but I'm not sure. Hindi ako sure, guys. Ayun, guys, medyo parang lumalayo na siya. Hindi pa din siya nagto-turn left. Parang always to the right talaga siya. But I will see kung meron dito pa shortcut pabalik sa bahay. Pero we thought about no. Wala, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So, hanggang dun pa talaga siya. Well, anyways, pwede din naman sana kaming magsasaka doon, pero hindi kaya ni partner. So, babalik tayo. We will turn around. Babalik tayo, guys. Here, we can go up there. Diyan, pataas kasi, guys. Hindi kaya ni partner. So, we will just go back. Maybe next time, right? When we are in a good condition and we planned well, and then if the weather is not so cold as today.
You need a long rope that you can pull me up the hill.
Oh, we have a car. Kukmal. We can just use the car here. Kasi itong daanan, guys, pwede sasakyan. Naghahanap pa talaga ng ano. Ay, nako. So, babalik na tayo, guys. And it's already after 2 hours. Charot.
Oh, I forgot now.
Ang ganda ng ano namin, guys. With the sunlight. Na kami, guys. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Palugsong na kami. Wala din masyadong ginagawa dito, guys. I mean, at least, di ba? And I haven't seen, deers or something. Hi, everybody! Update. Maaga pa, guys. Hindi pa ako magluluto. Kakain lang ako ng cucumber at saka yung radish. Tapos may onions. Kasi, guys, gumawa ako ng pinakurat. Diba? Look at that. Gawa ko yan, guys. Huwag kayong okay. Kasi nga, hindi ako nakahanap ng dito. Tawag niyan, guys. Pinakurat. Hindi ako nakahanap, guys. Kaya, gumawa na lang ako. Kahapon ko to ginawa. Gusto ko siya i-transfer kasi hindi siya gusto ko mag-mix eh. Hindi siya mag-mix. Kasi yung ito yung, ang bilis lang niya. Baka siya eh. Sige na nga lang. Hindi ko pa to siya natikman actually. Yung suka. Tingnan nga. Alam, guys, pinakurat talaga. Pinakurat talaga ang lasa niya. Kahapon pa to. Tapos hindi siya masyado manghang kasi hindi ko masyado dinamihan yung sili. Uy, my God. I-transfer ko to dito mamaya. Kasi yung takip na hindi siya eh. Hala, nakagawa si RC ng pinakurat. Guys, nakagawa si RC ng pinakurat. Ito yung gusto ko na salad talaga, guys. Kinakain ko to long time ago pa sa Frankfurt pa. Gustong gusto ko to siya na salad. Kulang lang to ng tomatoes. Hindi ko lang siya nilagyan ng tomatoes, guys. Cucumber, may radish, at saka lagyan natin ng onions. Kain na. Ang sarap ng suka. Ang daming garlic. Mas masarap pa yung guys. Ito kaysa sa yung binibili ko. Sarap na. Confident. Ano lang to? Suka na sugarcane, ginger, garlic, onions, may sugar, salt, and pepper. Meron pala to sa guys, fish sauce. Naglagay din ako na fish sauce. Ayan diba? Tapos sa sili, ikaw na mag-decide. kung hanggang anghang yung gusto mo. Akin, ang nilagay ko is yung dried na malalaki, yung dried na labuyo, 6. Manghang siya pero hindi ano. Ang gamitin yung sugar guys is brown sugar. Mas masarap. Sa measurement, kayo na bahala. Basta ito is yung sugar cane, yung isang ganito, inubos ko siya. And then for example yung garlic, isang, ano talaga, ganyan. Tsaka onions, isang ganyan din. I think yung suka, kailangan pa lang siya, yun guys, kasi kahapon ko siya ginawa. So siguro pag nag-ano siya, mga how many days, siguro mas maano talaga siya. Fresh pa kasi siya, pero masarap na siya guys. Naka-blender siya guys. Blend ko siya para yung mga ingredients is very fine, very ano talaga, maliliit. In fairness guys, kahit na 1 day lang to, yung suka na to, I think mas sasarap pa to pag few days after pa. Tingnan nyo. Di ba? Mahilig kasi ako sa ano guys, pinakurat kaya ako na lang gumawa, di ba?